What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I just got a super quick tip for you, and we're going to talk about adding some kind of toms right before your beat drops. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to just play this part here. We'll play this 8 bars here so you can hear how this beat sounds. So there's just a simple intro here, but then we got these toms right before the beat drops, and it really adds some sauce. What you can even do is just take out some of the sample and just let the toms do its work. I don't think it sounds the best on this beat, but on some beats it does sound good. These toms are a little bit more subtle, but you can get some that are like just banging, and when you have that in the track right, it can really add some sauce. The tom pattern is nothing crazy, all right? It's just one tom. We look here. Let's put them on different pitches in kind of a rhythmic pattern. Velocity, just make it sound humanized. You know, think of like a real drummer playing a tom roll right at the end of the 4 bars or 8 bars or whatever it may be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.